This is Uma. She and her family live in a village in Niger, a country in Africa. It is one of the hottest, driest places on Earth. Life in Uma's village is very hard. Many people are hungry because food is so scarce. Now, through this good quest, you will help them grow the food they need so they can live happier lives. Elf Island has teamed with Plant It 2020 and Eden Foundation to help plant special fruit trees. These amazing trees can actually grow in the desert. The fruit from one of them can feed lots of people. To make this happen, every Elf Islander is being asked to grow virtual trees. In return, our tree partners will help grow the real trees in Niger. But most important of all, by helping in this good quest, you will help Uma and many others in need. Together, we can do so much good. Come on, Elf Islanders. Let's all pitch in.